Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing 8th class assignment 1 Public Health and Government. The first question is, what problems do face in private hospitals? Discuss. And here the private hospitals, you know already, the private hospitals are and those are collecting more money and from the patients. Then the government hospitals are giving free services. Here then the private hospitals, and especially our question is about the private hospital, then those are spending, means then patients are spent a lot of money and for and curing of their disease, and then they spent a lot of money for the medicine, and then and here and those also they are getting a lot of tension and about that and patients, and because and about that bill, and as well as about then family members also completely feared about that, and those are getting a lot of attention and about that and patients, because those are not giving, maybe they are not giving and good service or not, because there is no and guarantee about it. Next, second question children, and write any two reasons for the doctors and not accepting rural posting. Yes, this is one of the important question here, and most of the doctors are appointed as a government doctors, but most of the persons are not working in the rural areas. Why? There are two important reasons are there. Number one, rural backwardness. The rural areas are in complete backwardness, in that there is no transport facilities. Number two, and there is no and proper hospital and requirements. And then what is that one? And some of the and rural areas are completely and what is that one? Backward areas, and so and that's why and most of the and doctors are not interest and those are not work at that areas. Next, and here the lack of modern facilities. Here the lack of modern facilities, there is no modern equipments. Modern equipments are not available at that place. That's why the most of the doctors are not interested to do at that end places. That's why those are not interested to the rural and posting in their and services. Next, third question children, what type of services would you rendered by 108 and during emergencies? Yes, at present 108 is one emergency service when the accidents and other important and problems and held and in our and areas or surroundings of it. So 108 service is a very famous and as well as it is a well known and service at present days. And here then what is that one? And one of the and pregnancy cases or accidental cases or any type of cases like paralysis or and fever, heart attack, at that what is that one at present days or any emergency cases are there, 108 is the first one service, and those are coming to our residence afterwards, and they are going to the hospital, and then they are giving and quick service and to the patients. At present it is one of the important part of our life at present days. I hope you understood about this assignment. Thank you children.